Mist clings to the jagged peaks of Burkan Khaldun, a sacred mountain in northeastern Mongolia. The air hums with an ancient stillness, broken only by the crunch of boots on frost-covered soil. A team of archaeologists, led by Dr. Arian Sanja, a determined Mongolian historian in her late 30s, moves cautiously, their faces taut with anticipation. They carry high-tech equipment, ground-penetrating radar, drones, and soil analyzers, blending modern science with the weight of centuries-old legends. Dr. Sanja, whispering to her team, says, "This is it. The soil samples from last week showed anomalies. If the inscriptions are real, we're standing on history." Her colleague, Dr. James Carter, a British archaeologist with a weathered face and a skeptical squint, adjusts his glasses. Dr. Carter: "Legends are one thing, Arian, but Genghis Khan's tomb? We're chasing a ghost." Dr. Sanja, eyes fierce. "Not a ghost, a legacy. My people have protected this secret for 800 years. Today we uncover the truth." A drone buzzes overhead, its camera scanning the terrain, the screen on a tablet in Arian's. Hands flickers, revealing faint outlines of what could be a buried structure. The team exchanges glances, their breath visible in the cold. Cut to interior expedition tent. Night. The tent is cluttered with maps, ancient texts, and laptops. A flickering lantern casts shadows on the canvas walls. Arian and Carter pore over a fragment of parchment covered in faded Mongol script, discovered during the day's dig. The team's linguist, Yolmar, a young Mongolian woman with sharp eyes, translates haltingly. "Soma. It speaks of a great Khan, buried beneath the eternal gaze of the sky. There's a reference to a circle of stone guarding his rest." Dr. Carter, frowning. "Burkan Khaldun fits the description, but we need more. The Mongols were masters of misdirection. This could be another decoy." Arian traces her finger over a topographic map, her voice steady but urgent. "Dr. Sanja, the soil layers here are undisturbed since the 13th century. The radar showed a chamber. If we're wrong, we move on. But if we're right..." She trails off, the weight of the possibility hanging in the air. Outside, the wind howls as if the mountain itself is warning them. Cut to exterior dig site day. The team excavates with meticulous care, brushes sweeping away centuries of earth. A young archaeologist gasps as her tool uncovers a carved stone, its surface etched with a wolf, a symbol of Genghis Khan's clan. The team gathers, their excitement palpable. Dr. Sanja kneeling, voice trembling. "This is no coincidence. The wolf was his mark. We're close." Suddenly, a local elder, Batbayar, arrives with a group of Mongolian herders. His weathered face is stern, his presence commanding. The team freezes. Batbayar, in Mongolian, subtitled, "You tread on sacred ground. The Khan's spirit rests here. Disturbing it brings calamity." Dr. Sanja, standing, respectful. "Elder Batbayar, we seek only to honor him. His story belongs to the world, but his spirit remains Mongolia's." Batbayar's eyes soften slightly, but his voice remains firm. "The Khan hid his tomb for a reason. You unearth more than bones. You unearth secrets the world may not be ready for." He turns and leaves, his warning lingering. Arian clenches her fists, torn between her duty to history and her respect for tradition. Cut to interior underground chamber, night. After days of digging, the team breaches a hidden chamber. Flashlights pierce the darkness, revealing a vast, untouched space. The walls are adorned with intricate carvings, scenes of conquest, unity, and spiritual rituals. At the center lies a stone sarcophagus, flanked by ceremonial objects. A golden bow, a jade-encrusted dagger, and a banner bearing the Mongol tamga. Dr. Carter, awestruck. This is beyond anything we imagined. These artifacts rewrite the Mongol Empire." So deciphers an inscription on the sarcophagus, her voice shaking. It says, "Here lies Temujin, unifier of the steppes, servant of the eternal blue sky." It's him, Genghis Khan. Arian steps forward, her hand hovering over the sarcophagus. She hesitates, Batbayar's warning echoing in her mind. The team watches, holding their breath. Dr. Sanja, softly, "We found him, But what do we do now? Suddenly, a low rumble shakes the chamber. Dust falls from the ceiling. The team scrambles, fearing a collapse. Arian grabs a small artifact, a carved horse figurine, and ushers everyone out. Cut 2. Exterior Burkan Khaldun dawn. The team emerges, shaken but unharmed. The chamber is sealed behind them, the mountain reclaiming its secret. Arian clutches the figurine, her face a mix of triumph and uncertainty. Dr. Carter. We can't keep this quiet. The world needs to know. Dr. Sanja firmly. The world will know, but on Mongolia's terms. This isn't just a discovery. It's our heritage. We protect it first. She looks at the horizon, where the first light of dawn bathes the mountain in. Gold the figurine in her hand, a quiet acknowledgement of Arian's balance between past and present. Cut 2. Exterior Burkan Khaldun night. Arian stands alone on the mountain, the wind whispering through the grass. She places a small offering, a bundle of sage, at the base of a rock, honoring the Khan's spirit. The stars above burn brightly, as if the eternal blue sky itself is watching. Arian whispering, "Your story lives on, Temujin. Rest in peace." She turns and walks away, the mountain fading into the darkness. Its secret safe for another generation. Fade out. Additional narrative to meet word count. The discovery of Genghis Khan's tomb, as depicted, is a fictional journey designed to captivate a global audience while respecting Mongolian culture. The script weaves together themes of adventure, ethical, dilemmas, and cultural pride, appealing to viewers who crave historical intrigue and human drama. By focusing on Dr. Arian Sanja, a Mongolian woman leading the expedition, the story grounds itself in the perspective of someone deeply connected to the land and its history, making it relatable yet authoritative.